Hey guys, welcome back. Today I am planning to vlog a little bit. Sorry about my hair. It doesn't look the best. I'm supposed to be getting it done tomorrow. And I'm going to take, I can't even show you. I'm going to take quite a bit of like length off it, I think. Maybe like that much. So we'll see if I chicken out or if I get that done. But I'm not doing a lot today, but I kind of wanted to get back into the swing of things. So I'm planning on doing a little vlogging, and I'll insert some footage right now of how my hair turns out because I probably am not going to vlog tomorrow, so that way you guys can still see it. Hopefully I can get some color back up here a little because I don't like how dark it's looking. I prefer the lighter look, but we'll see. Right now I am going to get in some clothes and then we're gonna go out and do morning chores, and those are the big plans for today. I'm not gonna vlog when I work, but I'll vlog when I do other stuff. And oh, let me show you this bookshelf that is behind me because that's a new addition and I really like it. Okay, so over in the corner these are Rubbles toys, which I don't know where the rest of them are, but it's a few of them. And then this is the bookshelf. That's Zoe's cowboy hat up there and her wild rag around it. But this is the bookshelf. It doesn't have a lot on it. It has my books right here, which I'm keeping to just that shelf before I buy any more. And then this shelf's empty. This shelf is where I'm going to put like the girls' more educational books. And oh, this is from my Cavalli box right here. It doesn't have anything on it, but it looks really cute. And then these are their books that are in really good shape, but that I don't want them to just grab off and scribble in because they like to do that. So, yeah, that's what it looks like for right now. Also, guys, I have a question for you. For all the homeschool moms out there. Do you have like any advice for someone that is thinking about homeschooling, or like resources you could read about homeschooling? I'm interested about it, but I want to learn more about it before I'm just like, yeah, I'm for sure doing that. But I think it's a really cool concept and I would be interested in learning more about it to see if it would be a good fit for my kids. So if you have any good resources or good videos to watch, let me know. I watch a couple of people that do it and it looks like something that my kids would like, but the more resources the better. So let me know if you have any ideas for that down below, and we'll get started with today's vlog. Okay, this is gonna be the best view you can see my outfit in because my mirror is dirty and I don't want to show you in there. But I'm wearing this Champion hoodie and then these New Balance leggings. And yeah, and if you want to know where to get those or how much they are, I really don't know because these are hand-me-downs from my sister. So I didn't buy them. She just gives them to me sometimes when she wants to get new clothes, which is fine by me because then I have like pretty nice clothes. So this is my outfit. And I will talk to you guys when I'm going out to do chores again. Oh, and maybe I'll show you Sam. This is Sam. He's our bottle baby who's now getting weaned off the bottle. Here, let me turn on the light so you can see him. He's not supposed to be out of his pen, but he's not very good at staying in it. Think you're out, bud. You're all out. You're all out. Hi, Maya. You taking some poop out? Good job, Zoe. Looking good, Maya. That pile's almost as big as you. You need my help? Oh.